with the promise that you're going to do something with Article 370, or like what is your agenda? I want to know. And you talked about smart city when your party was at the helm. Did you make your city smart city?
Our agenda is to ensure that those 1,000 crores that went to the smart city, out of those 1,000 crores, at least 10 crores should have gone to the Gandabal bridge, where, yes, a Gandabal bridge where our children drowned. It was sanctioned in 2017.
Farooq Abdullah was the member of
It was
parliament.
sanctioned in
Farooq
2012. It was sanctioned in 2012.
Farooq Abdullah
No, she's
was the member
misleading.
of parliament.
She's misleading.
I'll come
It
to-
is
I'll come to-
2012.
I'll
Not
come to-
bothered to visit the family, and she is claiming that yes, the bridge should be made. One point. Second thing, you are talking about the manifesto. Let me tell you what is the manifesto of the National Conference.
You talk about yourselves.
They have a
Don't
hidden,
you have a
they have a hidden
manifesto?
agenda, that is pallet
Don't
guns.
you have a
Once they will be in
manifesto?
power, they will
Talk
bring
about
back the
your
pallet guns.
manifesto.
Once they will be back, they will snap our internet. Once they will be back in the power, they will snap our SMS service. This is the manifesto of the National Conference. And
Says
she-
the
she
party
is claiming-
that gagged
and
Jammu and
one thing,
Kashmir, that
their-
put
their
the
par-
longest
their party, they were
internet
claiming that we will
shutdown
bring
in
back the
Jammu and
Article
Kashmir
370.
post-abrogation.
Today, their spokesperson,
You put
Dr.
the
Giri Saab,
longest
he claimed that
abrogation.
we never talk about the
You
Article
put the
370. This is all
longest-
hoax and nothing else.
longest-
They are making
longest internet
National
gag.
Conference.
After
National Conference-
abrogation, we had the
National
longest
Conference sent
internet gag in Jammu and
National
Kashmir in
Conference
the
sent
entire
three
world
people,
that went
some member
for
of
4
parliament.
months.
Are you
Indeed,
going to
Akbar Noor
outshop
Saab,
each
Farooq
other
Abdullah
like
Saab,
this?
and Hassan Madhuri Saab. Can you please tell me what they did in their tenure?
What have your two MPs who are now ready to lose their deposits, Jugal Kishore and Jitendra Singh, done?
That you will not decide.
No,
that
no,
it's
no,
the
that
people,
of-
it's
that
the people of
will
Jammu and
decide
Kashmir
anyway.
Okay,
who will
let's
John
decide.
was about to
It's
throw
not a
them
national
out.
conference who will decide. It is not a national conference who will decide. It's a people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Hold on,
Let me
BJP.
lighten the mood for my two panelists.
Okay.
I think the National Conference and BJP, they sail in the same boat. There is
Interesting.
no evil, no sin that the BJP has committed which the National Conference has not committed in the last 70 years. You talk
Hold on,
about,
hold on.
she talked about hartals and communication blockade. Did they not do it? She talked about killings.
Never,
How
we never
many?
did it.
Just give me a moment to finish my sentence.
Let him finish.
She talked about killings. She talked about stifling the genuine voices of the people of Kashmir. What did the National Conference do in 87? What did the National Conference do between
Adnan,
96 and
okay,
2002?
I'll
This election
Okay.
is an election between 1% elites, 1% people who have been the victors versus the 99% victims. Let me complete it.
Yeah. So,
99% victims who are in the graveyards,
Okay,
who are in the
now-
jails,
now,
who have suffered
Adnan,
economically,
Adnan.
who've been
So,
slapped
okay,
under
okay,
PSA.
Okay, I got it. So, what is your blueprint?
Our
People's
blueprint-
Conference,
our
you are
blueprint is-
lambasting, only hear me out, you're lambasting National Conference. You have completely decimated their report card to ground zero. But what is it that you have to offer to them? There is this conversation, there is this narrative that you have a tacit support coming from your left, from the BJP.
Let me
Is it
clarify.
true?
Let
We
me
want to know.
Clarify that point first, the second point, and I'll come back to your first point later. BJP, in the last elections, BJP polled 1% votes in North Kashmir. In Srinagar seat, they polled 500 votes. So you're telling us that we got 28%. The PDP has got whatever 16%. Let me finish. Independents have got 20%. And the National Conference have got 29%. You're telling us that 1% we are proxies of a party which has 1% votes in
I'm
Kashmir?
just asking. Let's have a clarity on this. Are you not in
when our
conversation
opposition
with each
alleges that we have a tacit backing of the BJP,
Do you have-
they should first go back
Do
to
you
the...
have a tacit backing
Absolutely
of the
not.
BJP?
We have the
point taken.
tacit backing
Sir,
from the people of Kashmir,
that's-
from the people of North Kashmir, from
that's a
Srinagar,
cliche.
from South
You don't
Kashmir.
have a tacit backing from the
Of course
party
not.
sitting
And
right on your
let me
right.
come